back and checking me out or coming for the first time, I appreciate it. I am the owner of a twin-turbo 350Z project build that I got all back together. My last video out, I took it for a spin up and down the block. Now it's time to take it to get tuned. Stay tuned.
You are tuned in to Ryan Campbell, Soup to Nuts.
Alright, ladies and gents, before we get the show started, as they say in the business, in the biz, please give me a like, comment, subscribe, all that good crap. Apparently likes are the real big thing. Likes and views are really the big thing, the metric that they use to push me out there. And I'm trying to get out there, trying to get out of my shell, take the shell off. So it was about a week since the last video of, or when I filmed the last video of filming the car going up and down the street, driving up and down the block. And so I've since spoken to the tuner and scheduled an appointment, all that crap. So as I'm filming, I have the trailer now. I'm ready to load it up and then take it. It's going to be going to the tuner very, very shortly. But it is currently raining out. Thanks New Jersey weather. Appreciate it, Sam Champion. F out of here. Get the F out of here. So it's raining. I don't know how much film I'm actually going to be doing. I'm not trying to get my camera wet and ruin my camera. So I would ideally like to do a time lapse of loading the car up under the trailer. That'd be nice, but I don't know if that's in the cards. I'll probably maybe do a quick video after I get it on, or I don't know what I'm going to do at this point. I'm excited. I'm excited, mama. So we'll see. I don't know what kind of footage you're going to see as far as taking it there. I'm going to try to maybe set up some, maybe do a little bit of B-roll on the way, to the shop, because I have to go past New York City type of thing. So it's be some cool, views out the window of the car, or the truck actually that I'm pulling. But this video, we're going to the tuners. To the races. We're already in New York at this point, because I'm a fast driver, even in a truck and with a trailer behind it. I move. Move, bitch, get out the way. And here we are getting through the Easy Pass. Easy Pass for the win. Only when you're actually using it on the road. What's your deal with the county issues with them? It's a horrendous ordeal. I'm having issues with them right now. They owe me a steak dinner. Enough said. And there's the good old beautiful G-dubs, that GWB, the George Washington Bridge. We have about 30 names for it back here in this hellhole of a state called Dirty Jersey. There's a view of Manhattan skyline. Trying to make this pretty for you, but it's hard to make things pretty while you're in the Bronx. It's not the most attractive of neighborhoods. And there's the view again, and I have no idea what that bridge is, but it was kind of cool. There's Hogwarts! There were wizards flying in all over the place. It was a sight to see. You should have been there. And now we're getting onto the Throg's Neck Bridge. And it was kind of a crappy ride, and it was extremely expensive, to be honest. They hit you with tolls coming and going. There's a beautiful McLaren. There are a lot of nice cars out on these trips. Because, there's a lot of money in New York, so gotta spend it somehow, right? And here we are approaching the shop to pick the car up, actually. I separated the video between dropping off and picking up because I didn't want to, You need to see the same thing twice. You know what I mean? So coming behind the shop, Vinny Ten Racing, they got some pretty cool, nifty cars lined up there. And there's the pretty girl. There's my girl all tuned up, ready to rip, roar, kick asses, and take names. Yes, nailed it. Now we got the girl all loaded up and headed back to Jersey. I didn't do too much filming there at the shop because with this whole shutdown situation, I know how they feel about me doing a lot of videoing there. I want to be kind of respectful of their place. And back on the Throgs Neck Bridge. Here we are on the Cross Bronx Expressway. You can see beautiful Bronx. And I'm using the term beautiful very loosely. Very loosely. Way loose. Extremely loose. Loosey-goosey. Here we are back in the G-dubs, almost back into Dirty Jersey. Nobody really calls it that, but, you know, for video's sake, we do. And back in Jersey, heading home. Not home yet, but we're getting there. There's the pretty girl on my ass. Get off my ass. I've got to brake check your ass. I'm just kidding. I love looking at my beautiful little girl, even when she's on a trailer. And the tint of the back window of the truck kind of made the colors all whacked out, so to speak. But it was still a nice ride. And here we are, pulling back up to the good old Hubble-a-Boon. Smooth as silk, baby! I mean, that ride wasn't smooth, like driving up through, you know, that area in New York, George Washington Bridge, always tons of traffic and chaos and shit happening. At one point in the road, I ain't getting on camera, but there was a guy in front of us towing a trailer, like a work type, a landscape type of trailer or something like, you know, had mold, I don't know what it is, topsoil or something like that, rock or something in the back. The whole thing started fishtailing. The whole trailer was fishtailing and like pulling like from like getting out of the lanes type of thing. Like it was pretty damn close to like fucking catastrophe happened. A trailer flipping or freaking popping off popping off the hitch, the trailer hitch, or you know, anything could happen at that point. Freaking make his truck go, you know, off the road. Who the fuck knows? But that was kind of sketch. Luckily, I didn't have the car on the trailer I was towing, so, you know, I had a little bit more braking power at that point. I slowed down to give some room, but, you know, anything's possible at that point. Enough of my, silliness. That's never gonna happen. There's always gonna be silliness around here. Always. 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 So, went well, got her all tuned up. She made 614 horsies at the wheels. Runs good. I took her for a spin at the shop in New York. Ran great, no issues. I haven't really, you know, taken it on a long drive here yet. I'm going to put the body kit on first that I'm painting. You'll see that. That's in an upcoming video of me painting the body kit, and then another video I'm going to be putting it on, and then I'll be doing a cool video on the whole thing. Oh, enchilada. You like enchiladas? Because I'm going to have the whole one. Yeah! So, it went pretty good. Hopefully the video turned out kind of cool. I'm going to do some like voiceover over like the scenery shots of driving on the road and, you know, over the bridges and all that crap. First time really doing the voiceover. Hopefully that'll go okay. Hopefully you liked it. If you didn't, F your sister. Is she hot? I'm single. Just saying. I'm just joshing ya. Just kidding with. Yeah, get at it. Get out of here. Get out of here. So, yeah, upcoming paint body kit. Put the body kit on the car. This is just like a really quick Cliff Notes version. And yeah. So yeah, paint the body kit, put the body kit on the car, and then do like a big unveil with the car with the body kit on it. And the carbon fiber spoiler. The spoiler. So stay tuned for that crap. Don't forget to like this damn video. Give it a like. It apparently tells YouTube that it was a cool video, and let's show it to more people. Like it, damn it. Ba-pow! Ba-pow! In the meantime, while you're waiting for my next video to drop, don't forget, drive fast, take chances.